Well, hi there pluckers, I was all fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is a lesson on a song by Bryan called Rest Rose. Okay, standard tuning, 2nd fret capo. Capo on the 2nd fret puts us into the same key that Bryan plays the song in. Okay, so without more to do, I'm going to go for the guitaring on the intro, the first verse and the first chorus, break it all down for you and show you exactly how I did it, and you should be good to go for the whole song. It just, after the first verse and first chorus, it just repeats more verses and choruses. Okay, so you've got everything you need. Singing as usual for reference purposes only. Okay, so here we go. Should we get some rest, Rose? Been up all night, and I love the way your arms pose in the window pane sunlight. Keep me calm and strong when I've had enough, and when the body meet palms babe, how the heavens open up. Sweet girl, I feel like quitting, 'cause I'm tired of missing home. But the moment I am with you, the home begins to roll. And the northwest cold in the winter, it's chill you till you're cold. I ain't never died road, but I've seen heaven before. Thought everyone like me, and so on. Okay, get the idea. Right, so let's do the intro. Let's break it down for you. Right, it starts off on a C chord, and I'm starting off by playing the root note, the 3rd fret of the A string there, 5th string, and then I'm hammering into a C chord. So I'm doing the downstroke, and I'm hammering in at the same time. I'm hammering in that 2nd finger into that 2nd fret of the 4th string, the D string. Okay, so that. Then we're doing a few more strums, so, and then what we're going into A minor next, and before you get to the A minor, what he does is something like this. He gets hold of that 2nd fret on the 4th string, and he hits that note and pulls it off to open. Okay, just once, like that. Okay, so you've got this so far. Oh, sorry. Got that. And then what we do is we form the A minor, and we hit the open A string, 5th string, and then follow it through with a single strum on the A minor. So you hit that A note first, strum the rest of the strings. Okay, so you've got this. Just a single strum, okay, on the A minor. Once again, slowly. Okay, then what he does, he plays this little lick. What that is, he's playing that 3rd fret of the B string, the 2nd string, then he hits it again and slides it up to the 5th fret on the B string, the 2nd string, then you hit that note again, the 5th fret of the B string, and then a single note on the 3rd fret of the B string, 2nd string, and then open B string. So it's got that. So what you've got now is this, right, from the beginning. Do that slowly for you. Then we go to a G chord, and using a conventional shape G, you basically just hit the sort of bassy strings, and then you straightforward, just a straightforward hit on the bassy side of things, and then lift that first finger off the second fret of the A string, and then the next time you strum, you hammer into that second fret of the A string, so you get that sort of thing. And a few more strums, okay? So then we've got this, so far we've got this now. Then we go to an F chord, and he's using an F bar chord. Okay, so if you want to sound like him, probably best play an F bar chord if you can manage it. If you can't play an F bar chord, then just play a straightforward F chord. Okay, but people want to do exactly what he does. It's a bar chord. Okay, so and then we go back to the C, and that hammer on that open 4th string to 2nd fret on the 4th string. There's a lot of that in this song, okay, on that C chord. So far we've got this. Okay. So we carry on, when we come back out the F to the C, we carry on strumming on the C. So we just go, I'll go into the next stage now, so I'll just get to that point. Right, C, A minor, F, C, and then the singing comes in. Okay, so we'll just go through that again. So C, A minor, G, hammer, F, C, hammer, A minor, F, C, hammer. Should really get some rest rolls. Then we're into the verse, okay? Now obviously the second half of that intro is obviously he plays a harmonica, okay? So if you can hum it or play the harmonica, that's the place to do it, okay? So once more for good measure, very slowly. Should really get some rest, okay? And then at normal speed, it's something like this. It's a little bit quicker than that. It is quite slow, actually. Really should get some rest rolls. So here comes to the verse, right? C, we get rest rolls. Being up all A minor with night, and I love the way your F past pose in the windscreen. Sunlight is C again. C. So the first part of the verse, we go through that again. You should really get some rest rolls. Being up all night, A minor. F new brother arms down, da 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 da. C, keep me calm and strong, da 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 da. A minor down, and when the F body is body, there's a C, and there's a big hammer there. Okay, and I think that last line he actually probably stops on that last line on the F. Okay, and when the bodies meets the palms, be how the heavens open up. So he hits that, does that sort of thing quite loud. Sweet girl, I feel like, and then we go into the chorus. Okay, so let's just go through the verse in one hit. Okay, so coming out of the intro, just really get some rest, Rose. Been up all night. I love the way your arms pose in the window pane sunlight. Keep me calm and strong when I had enough. And when the body meets palms, babe, you know the heavens open up. Sweet girl, I feel like quitting. So then we go into the chorus, okay, and that's F on Sweet girl, I feel like quitting. Cause I'm back to C, tired, again hammer, a lot of that hammering going on the C. So F, sweet girl, I feel like quitting. C, and I'm tired of missing home. G, the moments I'm with you. A minor, my home begins to roam. Okay, let's just do that again. Sweet F, girl, feel like quitting. C, cause I'm tired of missing home. G, but the moments I'm with you. A minor, home begins to roam. F, and the north is winter. C, and the chill in the cold. G, I've never died rose, but A minor, seen heaven before. Quick couple of strums on A minor and then back to the C. A minor, this is like the harmonica bit. F, C. Second verse, I thought everyone like me. Okay, got that? Right, so that's it, you've got everything you need to play the song now. Mix and match. So we'll just do the whole thing, we'll just go through the whole thing as a sort of together, hopefully. Okay, so here we go from the start, the intro, okay? Really get some rest, Rose. Been up all night, and I love the way your arms pose in the window pane sunlight. Keep calm and strong when I've had enough. And when the body meets the palms, baby, feel heavens open up. Sweet girl, I feel like quitting. Cause I'm tired of missing home. But the moments I'm with you, my home begins to roam. And the northwest is cold in the winter, it's chill you to your core. I never died rose, but I've seen heaven before. Would everyone like me? Music to all road ahead. You got the idea. Well, thanks for watching and listening. Hope that gives you some idea how to play that. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.